Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Welcome to all of you in Pakistan International School 5, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, in Virtual Learning System, Session 2020. I am subject teacher Mr. Shehbaz Ali. Last time we discussed about plants, unit number 6, video number 19. Last time we discussed about different parts, different groups of plants and their characteristics. Today in this video, we are going to learn more about different types of plants. Students, as you know that there are two types of plants, simple plants and higher plants. In simple plants, you learn about algae and mosses. And today we are going to start from ferns. This group, this group of plants is a little more advanced than algae and mosses. They possess roots, stem, and specialized leaves called fronds. Like mosses, they also do not produce seeds, flowers, and fruits. Instead, they reproduce by tiny dust-like spores like this one. You can see here, spores are on the leaves. Their spores grow on the underside of their leaves. You can see here. Okay, students. Due to the presence of roots, stem, and leaves, they can grow taller than mosses and algae. But they need to grow near moist places because their spores need water or moisture. Ferns are the ferns are leafy plants and have a well-developed vascular system. Okay, students. Dear students, vascular system consists of two types of tissues, xylem tissue and phloem tissue. Xylem tissue transport water and dissolved minerals to the leaves, and phloem tissue conducts food from the leaves to all parts of the plants. You can see here, this is a plant of ferns. Okay, students. Now, in higher plants, first type is conifers. Conifers, the fourth group of plants is conifers, which are also known as gymnosperms. Conifers are more advanced than ferns since they produce seeds, but their seeds are not enclosed in a fruit or flower. As the plants in this group lack flowers and fruits, they reproduce by their seeds. They have needle-like leaves like this one, needle-like leaves. They are not flat leaves. Since they have a well-developed vascular system, they can grow tall. Conifers are gymnosperms because they have naked seeds. Look here, they have naked seed. Okay, they are not enclosed. Next type is flowering plants. You will have noticed that plants in their higher plant groups have more body parts than those in the lower plant groups. Flowering plants are also known as angiosperms, form the most advanced group in the plant kingdom. Like conifers, they have roots, stems, leaves, and seeds, but unlike conifers, they bear flowers. Their seeds are enclosed in the flowers or fruits. Like conifers, they too have a well-developed transport system called the vascular system. They can also grow tall. Here you can see that flowering parts are the most common plants found all over the earth. Okay, students, these are flowering plants. Fungi. Fungi are a special case. They can be classified neither as plants nor as animals. Why it is so? Unlike plants, fungi cannot make their own food. Instead, they depend on other organisms for their food. Yeasts, molds, mildews, and mushrooms are some example of fungi. Here, students, do you know you can tell the age of a tree by counting its annual rings of wood growth on the cross section of the trunk. Okay, here is the plant of fungi. Mushrooms do not contain chlorophyll, so they are not green. Okay, students, we have finished our reading and now we start our exercise. Let's start our exercise. In exercise A, column A contains definitions of the terms and column B contains these terms. Match column A with column B. Write the appropriate letter in the space given below. Okay, dear students, this is column A and this is column B. Now, this is number one. In number one, you have definition and you have the answer in column B in this side. So, we read this side, column A, this one. The food making process of plant. What is the answer of this one? A. Chlorophyll. B. Angiosperm. C. Non-vascular. D. Fronds. E. Photosynthesis. F. Unicellular. G. Multicellular. So what is the answer, dear students? Very good. The answer of this food making process plants is photosynthesis. And you have to write this in number one, E. Okay. Number one answer is food making process of plants is called photosynthesis. This one. Okay. Now number two. Now number two is a group of plants that do not have a well-developed transport system is called, what is this called? Non-vascular. A group of plants that do not have a well-developed transport system is called non-vascular. Number two is C. Now, number three is organisms made up of only one cell called, what is the answer? Unicellular. That are made up of one cell, they are called unicellular. F. Number four is number three is organism made up of only one cell. Number three is answer is F. This one is okay. Number 4 is organisms made up of many cell called multicellular. G. Number 4 is G. Now, number 5. Ferns leaves are called D. Fronds. Ferns leaves are called fronds. Number 6 is the group of plants having seed enclosed in their fruits are called fruits or flowers. What is the answer? Angiosperm. B. Number 6 is B. Again, the group of plants having seed enclosed in their fruits or flowers are called angiosperm. This one B. Number 7 and last one is the green substance in plants which help them to trap the sun's energy. Which one is remaining? This one A. Chlorophyll. Number 7 is A. Chlorophyll. The green substance in plants which help them to trap the sun's energy are called chlorophyll. Once again, I will read and you have to listen to me and you will do this in your book. Okay, students? I will read again and you have to repeat with me. The food making process of plant is known as photosynthesis. Number 2 is a group of plants that do not have a well-developed transport system is called non-vascular. Okay. Number 3 is organisms made up of only one cell are called unicellular. Number 4, organisms made up of many cells are called multicellular. Number 5 is ferns leaves are called fronds. Number 6 is the group of plants having seed enclosed in their fruits or flowers are called angiosperm. Last and final is the green substance in plants which helps them to trap the sun's energy is called chlorophyll. Okay, dear students, you will do this one in your book and you have to read this page number 32, page number 33 and page number 34 two times. Okay, dear students. Have a nice time. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.